Hi, it's Gordon from Remax here. I've got the beautiful Ochil Hills behind me, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to just do a bit of a market update now that we're in October 2022. There's been a lot of things obviously in the news over the last few weeks, and you may be wondering how has the housing market been? Are things still selling? Are people still buying properties? So the kind of on the ground evidence is that houses certainly still are selling. So just in the last few days I had a couple of closing dates. People still paying above the home report value, but things have changed slightly from 6 months to 12 months ago. The lockdown market that we were in, interest rates were obviously kind of at an all-time low. So we did see rates as low as 1.5%, 2%, these kind of rates that I think everybody got used to. But now we're in a position where mortgage rates are up to an average of between about 5 and 6%. So there is a big change there. People are obviously weighing up not only their mortgage monthly payments, but also a rise in living costs. So I think what we're going to see over the coming weeks and months is less of the kind of crazy offers that we saw at the start of the year, whereas often we might see 40, 50,000, 60,000 above home report value at closing dates. I think we're going to see more properties selling for a bit above home report value, and maybe in some cases round about home report value as well. So that's something to be aware of. My advice at the moment, if you are out there trying to buy property, certainly speak to a good independent financial advisor before you even go on Rightmove, before you even look at properties, because it's just absolutely critical to get that advice first, and then you know exactly what you can afford before you start making offers as well. Fundamentally at the moment, I would say there's still a supply and demand issue, so there's still less properties available for the number of buyers that are out there. So there still is a steady number of sales as well. And I think as well, just coming up to the end of the year, there are several people that are looking to try and close deals down and ideally get moved in before Christmas. So I think now is as good a time, more important than ever, to, of course, when you are thinking about selling your property, is to have an agent that's going to be really proactive, really push the interest out there as much as possible, because from speaking to different agents and speaking to surveyors, viewing numbers across the board are less than what they were. So what you want is somebody, an agent that's really proactive, as I say, in the marketing, and also getting all the feedback they can get from the viewings, so that if you're on the market and there's things that can be tweaked to get more interest, that it's certainly worth having that conversation and doing that. So hopefully that just gives you some insights into the market at the moment. I'd be really interested to hear what your take is and your own experience in the market just now. Are you out there looking for property? Are you buying? Are you selling? And it'd be great to open a discussion about that. And if I can be of any help at all, just get in touch. My number is 07919 569 774. You can send me a message on my Facebook page. Thanks a lot.